My name is Danielle LeBlanc. I am a CRNA, APRN in Clearwater, Florida. I am the business owner of Luer Aesthetics. I partnered with AMP pretty early on in my aesthetic career. I first reached out to them about their exosomes line, their XOE. I fell in love with derma pretty quickly. It was something that was really striking to me because it was so safe and it's utilizing the body's own blood products. Because of my experience as an anesthesia provider, I became an expert pretty quickly with derma, also because of my passion for it. So I just continuously learned from other providers, from my colleagues, and became an expert at it. And now I'm here at the Owner Summit, helping other providers and my colleagues train expert techniques and teach expert techniques on Solenis derma to other providers. So through the guidance of people at Aesthetic Management Partners, which is honestly was really beneficial for me as somebody newer in this industry, they guided me on, what devices to get. The first device I got was Scarlett RF microneedling, which is a device that everyone can benefit from, no matter your age, your ethnicity. It is safe for all skin types, which is very important for me as a higher risk skin type. That was the first device I purchased. And then I purchased Nuvaderm and Aquaferm to complement those. The more of the resurfacing, getting that superficial pigment, also deeper layers as well. And we live in Florida, so everybody needs that. So Nuvaderm has been a game changer for my practice. I pair that pretty frequently with Scarlett, same day or alternatively. And it's just a great complement to even the biologics. We use the Skin Revitalizing Complex protocol with every single patient. It is not an option because the results are superior. So we use the detox pre-treatment, 5 to 7 days, the XOE the day of, and the repair post-treatment for 5 to 7 days. We also pair it often with Solenis derma PRP, and I have the patients wait 3 to 4 weeks, come get their Solenis derma PRP, and then the next treatment of Scarlett Nuvaderm. So it just really tied everything in my practice together. Now I feel like there's no gaps. And then another great thing about these devices is you can do hair restoration with them. So you can use the Scarlett to penetrate and put the Derive hair restoration in, or you can, kind of re-till the soil of the scalp and use Nuvaderm. So they're just very great complementary products. The Aquaferm XS has an ultrasound handpiece that drives the Derive serum in right into the follicle. So now we're seeing hair growth in 10 days versus the 45. So all of these devices really tie in together and really complement each other very well. I don't have to be a salesperson. I just talk about what I'm passionate about and what I'm good at. And because I see results due to the products and the devices I've purchased through Aesthetic Management Partners, it's easy. But they also have a team, 2 different teams, an AGC team that helps with events, post-purchasing devices, and a clinical integration team that helped me with marketing. I didn't do social media before I did this, helped me grow my social media. Everyone today has been like, wow, your social media is fantastic. It's because of the clinical integration team. They come in, they'll sit down with me and go over my business plan and what I need to do next. And then the AGC team came into my office after 8 weeks of regular meetings and planning for an event for my Scarlett and my Nuvaderm and my Aquaferm. And the day of, went through, met with me, talked to me about what to expect, how things were gonna run, gave everybody a role, including my business manager, my husband, and went through all of that with me so that to the point where I feel like I can now run an event by myself. So I feel confident. They gave me the skills and the tools I needed to help, not sell, but help promote myself and go through care plans and make treatment packages for patients. So it's something that I feel like other companies are missing because a lot of us are not salespeople and we don't know how to talk to people efficiently and put together packages. And with the AGC and the clinical integration team, they really just help tie everything together. It's unbelievable to me. and it's because of them. I truly believe I would not be where I am and be as successful as I am today if it wasn't for their partnership. So this is my second Owner Summit, and this is the biggest event of the year. It is something that I encourage all my colleagues and all practitioners to attend if they can. The knowledge that you'll gain from this event is incredible and really valuable. So this is my second time attending the Aesthetic Management Owner Summit, and I try to encourage all my colleagues and other providers that if they can attend any conference, that they should attend the Owner Summit. The amount of knowledge and education that is shared at these conferences are invaluable. And you get to learn so much from other people, other colleagues that are owners of these devices and products, and pick each other's brains and collaborate. So you feel less alone in all of this, because this industry is a little bit, difficult, cutthroat sometimes. And you create these long-lasting relationships and, almost the partnership part of it that AMP really hones in on, that you can call people. There's always somebody that you can call if you're in a bind, or if you have a question, or if you get stuck on something. And I've really leaned into that, and I think that's why I've grown so quickly and why I've developed my skills so quickly, is because I know that if I get stuck on something, I can reach out to Dr. Helton, Miss C. Gibbons, Dr. Watwood, any number of people, and they're gonna have my back. So without any judgment, and the relationships that are being built and the collaboration is just something you will not get anywhere else, in my opinion. And it's fun. And you go through these lectures and you get to see these live demonstrations from a number of practitioners that are, teaching their personal techniques. And you can take those techniques and pick little parts of things that you liked or you don't like and make it your own. And then at the end, we have these themed parties and everyone gets to dress up and be ridiculous and have fun together. So it's something you don't want to miss.